Hello everyone, welcome back. So it's been about 5 entire years since I've uploaded my last setup tour. I hope you guys did enjoy the intro that I had there. It's just kind of like me recording the desk and everything in a darker setting, because that's how I mostly sit at the desk and everything, is with the lights off, because I just think it looks so nice. I've always been a big fan of the black and red. My whole theme here, if you guys don't know, if everything's off, all the furniture is black. Everything is blacked out. There's no actual like red anywhere. It's just the LEDs are lit up red, but everything is pretty much for the most part blacked out. But once you turn everything on, that's when you can, like, I don't know, awaken the beast. It's cringy, I know, but you know, having all the red LEDs is just really cool to me. And then I've picked up a couple of new hobbies and everything, as you can probably tell. One of my new hobbies definitely includes guns and everything. I've always liked guns, you know. People were surprised, like, oh, you're buying guns all of a sudden? I mean, but over the past year, I bought these 3 pistols. My first one that I bought earlier was the Canik TP9SF, and then the second one I bought is the Springfield Echelon. It's the one that you'll see in the video. It's got the Holosun 507C on it. And then the third, latest and greatest, my actual everyday carry that I use for if in any unfortunate circumstance I ever have to use it for self-defense, would be the Glock 43X MOS, and that's my everyday carry. And I don't have a concealed carry permit yet, so I don't put it under my clothes or anything. I live in the state of Louisiana, by the way, so but I'll be getting that probably in January. I'll be getting my concealed carry if I can. But yeah, so guns is definitely one of my new hobbies. Another one that I picked up from my childhood is BMX and skateboarding. So BMX has been a big thing in my life. Before I really got an Xbox 360, you could probably like ask anyone that I knew from my childhood, they would tell you the same thing. I never got off the bike. Whenever I was on my bike, it was always the same thing. I was always on my bike. All my friends would try to like race me on their bikes. They couldn't beat me. And for the most part, I mean, I'm self-taught a bunch of tricks and everything. Right now, the only things I've really retained is I can still do a bunny hop. I can still kind of do a wheelie in a way. My balance is pretty darn good on a bike. I don't fall off of it at all. Skateboarding, on the other hand, I'm not the best at. My boards never come off the ground. I just mainly push around and have a little fun that way. I've been to the skate park, kind of roll around there, rolling the ramps and the bowl and everything, but I don't actually like do any tricks on it. But you know, it's been a little fun because I now work from home, so I don't want to stay inside all the time, because you know, I like to go outside and still have some fun. But for the most part, I mean, you know, I'm gonna let the video play out, let you guys just see the setup and everything, see the video. But yeah, I'll link the 2018 video, also all the specs for the computer, the guns, the skateboards, and I'll have a link to the bike in the description down below. The bike is a 2022 Kink. I'm not sure which model I bought. I just know I got a 2022 Kink. It was about $350 because it was on sale because it was a 2022 model. But yeah, everything will be linked down in the description down below. Everything will be listed, and all the specs and everything. But again, yeah, just let the video play out. And you know, if you guys enjoy it, drop a like, comment, tell me what kind of specs you got on your computer or whatnot. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.